Welcome. Today I will show you how to create a roof vent or a Dutch roof in Archicad. We're also going to make this roof realistic using Cadimage. So I will just do the same roof here because the same room apart from there's an extra study room with a slab on top. So I'll just go to the ground floor. Right. So right click here. Um, There's some deleted walls, so I just need to move back. Okay. I just need to select the roof only. So I just need to delete this roof. Sorry for that. Delete. All right. So I'll just go to the ground floor and show and trace reference. Then I'll go to story one. I'll go to design, activate roof, the first multiplane, and then this first option complex, so that we can quickly draw that complex roof from that point. You just need to pick the corners, all the corners back to the original. Now this time we are creating a complex roof by splitting into single plane roofs. This is very important because I've created other videos where we did the same, but that time we were not splitting this into single plane roofs. So this time we are going to split this roof into single plane roofs. That point, then back to the original point there. Right, so this roof has been created. If I go now to this, now I need to move this roof. Now my wall, if I click this wall, is 2400. So I just need to select this roof settings, and project to 0 is 2400. Okay. Now we need to split this roof into single plane roofs. So let me go to my that view. So I will go now to ground, select this roof, right click your mouse, and then split into single plane roofs. Split anyway. Now this roof is still grouped, so we need to ungroup it. So grouping, go to edit, grouping, and then ungroup. Now if I select, you can see this is single plane roofs. So I need to select. You see, I want to create this. I want to create this gable. All right. I need to create this roof vent here at this point. All right, just like that, and again create another one at that point. So I'll show you how to do that. As you can see, that roof vent is exactly at this point. It's exactly at this point going straight. So if I come here, I need to activate the document, then pick my line, activate my line tool. So I need to draw a line from this point, that point. Okay. Now I need to select this roof, not the line, but rather this roof. Right. So I need, don't click here, just click here. Then click any point there, and then create a node, a new node, just drag it to that point. Right. Now this time, as this roof is still active, I just pick this node, then holding shift, move to that point. I'll do the same thing. I'll pick that, pick there, and then I'm creating a new node. You can see this one. I want to insert new node and move it that point. And I will pick this, holding shift, drag it there. So if I come now to that view, let's see what we've just done. You can see what we have just done. We have just created that Dutch roof at this point. Now you can just click, right click, connect solid element operations. All right. So this one is my this one. Let's select this as my. It can either be operator or target, but the operation is what matters. So I'll just select it as my target. I'll pick this and that roof as operator, and then with upward extrusion and execute. So either way, we have just created that Dutch roof. I want to find out if we can just maybe pick this roof now this time, and then move this node. Just pick this roof, pick that, and then holding shift, move it. So we can do that as we must insert a new node at this point. Then pick it, holding shift now this time, move to that point. Okay. So now if I go now, you can see what we have just done. So we are going to do the same thing to the other side. So I'll come. Now I want to create this roof vent at what point? I'll just activate line tool. Let's create it at that point. Then I'll pick this roof and pick here, because I'm adding inserting new node. Just move the node to that point. So this time I'll pick and holding shift, drag to that point. Again, I'll pick this side. You can see the one we selected. Pick any point and insert new node there. Then I'll pick this node, holding shift to move it there. And I'll again pick this. Then again insert new node at that exact point. This time again pick. We need to insert another node. I need to insert another node at that point, then so that I can now be able to hold shift and move this node to that point. Now you can see what we have just done. So again, we need to again create another roof vent at do you have another roof vent at this point? Let me see the 3D. We need to create this roof vent, this one and this one. Okay. Need to create this roof vent, these two roof vents in these entry areas. So I'll just go here. So you can see these are just so again I will activate, go to my design. I want roof, right? So I will draw another roof. From that point, cancel. So I need to draw not complex, but hip gable roof, right? So I need pick and just drag it again. Pick then drag it. All right. So pick this node and then you can see this one. You have to select stretch horizontal ridge. Stretch it to that point. The same thing. Again, right click. You can just move this node. Again, move this node. Again, move this node. Move that node. So let's see. You need to move it again to make it even smaller. I'm moving this node again. Again, move these nodes. Some point there. Remember, you have to make sure this move node is selected so that you not get complications. And let's see the 3D. This roof, roof can just move this node further to some point there. All right. Okay, so now this time we can copy this, move, drag a copy at that point, right? So I can go and search for louvers. So I will just go ahead and enhance, make this video, roof realistic, visual realistic using Cadimage, so that you will be able to see the difference. I'll activate Cadimage covering, roof covering. So we're going to add the claddings, the gutters and downpipe in a twinkle of an eye. So let's come here, change this one to, you can either use tiles or corrugated. So let's this time use corrugated. Let's use corrugated. Right, so change just the color to surface to paint. Let's change the color to that. Framing. Okay, the color, wood oak, no problem. Edgeboard, I just leave it as default. Soffits as default. Flashings, again, I can just leave them as default. Then gutter and downpipe. The color, I just use regular gutter. The color can be, you can change the color, but that color is just okay. Then just click OK. Now you can see the difference now between the two roofs. And now if you go to the plan view, you will be able to see let's go to 3D. So I want to move to story 1. You can be able now to see now this roof is so professional and realistic. Now compared to this, if you send this type of drawing, can be somehow confusing, but this one is very professional. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.